Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In this episode, we're going to talk about simple past tense. In a nutshell, simple past shows a completed action in the past. I will tell you more details in the next lesson, but now let's concentrate on how it's used. First comes the subject. As usual, then comes the verb in the past form. If it's a regular verb, just add d or ed to it. If it's an irregular verb, use the past form from the table I provided. For example, I saw you in the park yesterday. Saw is the past form of the verb see. Another example, I swear I told her nothing. Told is the past form of tell. And an example with a regular verb, I worked very hard last year. Worked is the past form of work. The helping verb or the auxiliary verb in simple past is did. In questions, we put did before the subject, and we use the present form of the verb. For example, did you tell her about my girlfriend? Or why did you decide to go to Harvard? If the subject is unknown. If the subject is a question word or a question phrase, we build a question, like a regular sentence, without adding the helping verb did. For example, who told you about my girlfriend? How many people came to the concert? And to make a negative, we use did not or its contracted form, didn't. For example, I didn't steal your bubble gum. I didn't run as fast as she did. Sarah didn't recognize him after so many years. Nothing difficult at all. In the next episode, I will show you when simple past is used, so stay tuned.